it's summertime in my new apartment. Okay, so the days like this where I want to cut my hair are forever lasting. I don't want to cut it short, like, I don't want to cut it at all, but the thing is, like, it's so damaged. Like, I made a video, like a shorts video on my split ends, and like they're no. So I have, because originally I thought I was just going to just go through every single strand and look through if there are split ends and just cut them off, because I watched, like, there was some girl on TikTok that did that, and she had like hair to her rump stump. So that's the tactic I also want to do, but I think it's smarter to cut a little bit and then like refreshen up with split ends, because then it's not too much work, and you know, but I don't want my hair to be shorter. No, thank you. Like, I'm good. I should straighten it, but I don't want to do that. Like, that's more damage, you know. I am gonna curl my hair after this, so yeah, whatever. A little layers never hurt nobody, you know. Oh, I don't want to do this. I think I'm just like taking maybe 1 centimeter or something, and like that's nothing, and it won't take like barely anything, I think. But let's go. Let's cut my hair. Like, I should, like, in reality I should like cut it here. Never. Look, you snip. Ah! And then just recreate that on the other side. Oh my god, my ends are so dry and dead. So I know this like helps a lot, but it's not nearly enough. But now I really just wanna, like, just to get rid of the dead hair. No, that's too much. I think, let me look. But that's the thing, even though I cut, like, my ends are still split. No. Because if I go through now, it's not that much to cut. Maybe I'll do a tiny little bit more, and then we're done, okay? Oh my god, it's so dry. I literally am cringing. Because I don't know if you can see it on camera, but like it's so white. Like, it's, you can like clearly see the ends. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Oh my god, that was 2 centimeters at least. This is for my hair health. This is what my hair and me deserves, is healthy hair. So this is good. No, I have short hair now. Oh my god. But yeah, all the dance. Bye. So it's a lot more healthier. I feel it when I like brush through, so that's awesome. We're definitely stopping now because, oh my god, is it uneven? What a difference. Yeah. Oh, this is, wait, this is so much shorter. Oh my god. Wait, what? We'll take, oh my goodness. What the hell? Okay, so we'll take this much off, and then we're done. done. And now I'll just, for the rest of my, oh my god, I literally have so short hair. Oh my god, what? For the rest of my life, I'm just going to go through my hair like this, just wherever I'm sitting, and just the dead ends, the split ends. So let's style my hair now, and then we'll see. Before I style my hair, I think I'll just put the hair I just threw in the trash, I'll put it on the floor, because in my last video there were some people who seemed to be liking vacuum sounds. So this one's for you guys who wanted more vacuuming. I'll vacuum the hairs off the floor. I know it's not what you asked for specifically, but it's what we have to work with, you know? So let's go. Someone also wanted me to vacuum my hand. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what that sounds like. I guess I am an ASMR channel right now, so if you have any other recommendations for what sounds you want, leave them in the comments. The results for the hair will come now. It looks cute. Yeah. Let's go. Det er litt crackling, men lukter du noe?